Hello, my name is Aneta. This is Chemistry at Glance. Next video on all the organic equations you need to know for your exam. And today we're going to focus on polymerization. So there are a couple of compounds for which you need to know the polymer they form. And whatever question you'll get in the exam, you'll always be given that compound. And then you'd have to use that compound, for example, to find or to draw the polymer. So today we're gonna do the easiest example. And this is using ethene. Ethene can be made into a polymer. If we're talking about polymers, we always have to put the N, which gives the number of these monomers. And we form a polymer. This is how you draw a polymer. This double bond opens up. You always have to go beyond these brackets, because that means it can join with other monomers. Also put the N next to it, and all the bonding elements go upright and down. And I think that's it. We have ethene on the left hand side and polyethene on the right hand side. So you get monomer, many monomers joined together to form a polymer. Okay, let's do a second equation. Example, this time we have a phenolethene. Phenolethene means we have this phenyl group right here instead of one of the hydrogens. So it's called a phenolethene. Again, put that N on the side. Then we have our brackets. N. We have 2 carbons, double bond, opens up, and we just write the other elements that are bonded to our carbons. That's how you draw all your polymers. You get a monomer, you open up the bonds, you draw the brackets, you draw all the groups around, and that's it. You may be asked to name them, but whatever the compound at the beginning is, the polymer will be just poly, and then in the brackets, phenolethene. You can put the brackets on here too if you like. Remember to put the ends, because you sometimes mark down if you don't put the ends. Of course, there are more examples than just these two, but they all work in the same way. So even if you had like tetrafluoroethene, you get this element. Tetrafluoro means we have 4 tetra. Fluoro means we have 4 fluorines. We put the N on the side. And then when we make it into a polymer, we also put the brackets, we put the carbons, the carbon double bond opens up, and then just the groups that are joined to our carbons, which are all fluorines. And that's it. That's how all of the equations work. And this, one of those, is called a repeat unit. If you had many repeat units put next to each other, that would make a long polymer. But if you just want to have one part that is repeated over and over again, that's a repeat unit, and it looks like this, like this, like this. Remember to like, subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.